There is a strange phenomenon happening in the world of personal audio. For years, we've been told that we've reached the peak of what earbuds can do. We have noise cancellation that can drown out a jet engine. We have spatial audio that makes it feel like you're sitting in the front row of a concert. We have battery life that lasts for days. But as we sit here in 2026, Apple is about to prove that we haven't even scratched the surface. Something is shifting in Cupertino, and it's not just a spec bump. I'm talking about the AirPods Pro 4, a device that is about to turn your ears into a sophisticated data hub for the most powerful AI ecosystem on the planet. If you're wearing a pair of AirPods Pro 2 or even the recently released Pro 3 right now, you might think you're at the cutting edge. But you need to listen very closely, because the leaks coming out of the supply chain right now aren't just about better sound. They are about visual intelligence. They are about the H3 leap. And they are about a hardware feature that sounds like science fiction. Integrated infrared cameras. Let's address the elephant in the room. Why would an earbud need a camera? It sounds invasive. It sounds unnecessary. But once you understand the why, you realize that Apple isn't trying to record your life. They are trying to give your AirPods eyes so they can understand your world. This is the contextual audio revolution. Imagine walking down a busy street in New York. Your AirPods Pro 4, equipped with these tiny IR sensors, see a bus approaching from your peripheral vision. Before you even hear it, the H3 chip shifts the noise cancellation profile to highlight that specific frequency, ensuring you're aware of the danger without stopping your music. This is proactive safety, and it's something no other manufacturer is even dreaming of. But the H3 chip, that is the real heart of this story. For years, the H2 chip was the gold standard. It gave us twice the noise cancellation of the original Pros. But the H3 isn't just an iteration. It is a massive architectural shift to a 2-nanometer process. This matters because of latency. In the US, the Vision Pro has changed how we think about computing. But the biggest hurdle for spatial computing has always been the lag between what you see and what you hear. The AirPods Pro 4 and the H3 chip are rumored to bring that latency down to a near-zero level. We are talking about a lossless wireless experience that finally rivals a wired connection. For the first time, audiophiles who have refused to go wireless might actually have to eat their words. Now let's talk about the design. If you love the fit of the Pro 2, don't worry. Apple knows they have the most comfortable ear tip system in the game. But the stems are changing. Leaks suggest the pressure sensors are being phased out in favor of air gestures. Because of those IR cameras we mentioned, you won't even have to touch your ears anymore. A simple pinch in the air in front of your face can skip a track. A wave of the hand can dismiss a call. It's the same gesture language used in the Vision Pro, brought down to the most popular accessory in the world. This is zero-contact interaction, and it's going to make every other pair of earbuds feel like they belong in a museum. But why spend 30 minutes on a pair of earbuds? Because you are being lied to about value. Most tech reviewers will tell you to just buy the cheaper model, but they aren't looking at the long game. Apple is positioning the AirPods Pro 4 as a health essential. We saw the beginning of this with the hearing aid features in the Pro 2. With the Pro 4, we are looking at the integration of a clinical-grade internal